Hello engineers, this is our first topic to improve the technical report. The topic now is PCB footprint and layout confirmation of a component in technical report for spec comparison. Why the PCB footprint is very important, especially on surface mount devices? First, I will explain briefly the process of flow soldering. First, apply solder paste to the PCB. Second, component placement. Third, reflow soldering. Solder paste, a powder metal solder suspended in a thick medium cold flux. Flux is added to act as a temporary adhesive, holding the components until the soldering process melts the solder. It is applied on the PCB pad using a stencil. Please look at the pictures below on the process. Stencil holes are designed based on footprint, hence a little difference could create abnormal application of solder paste. Second, component placement. Using a machine to place the component with adhesive that was programmed with specific X, Y, and Z coordinates. Therefore, a PCB footprint difference could misplace the component. And third and last, reflow soldering. With this reflow soldering and having component placement and solder paste application abnormality could create either breach, short, no solder, or insufficient solder on the board. So now you know why PCB footprint is very important. The problem is that engineers always assume that acceptable dimension with small difference will have a little effect on the recommended footprint and current PCB footprints on the existing product. So the correct way to add in comparison data if there's a difference in dimension to avoid problem on soldering are to add recommended PCB layout comparison of main, original part versus alternate part. Second, footprint simulation of a main part using the alternate part. So with this comparison information could help us a lot to avoid future problem in the production side. Of course, on the parts that have a significant difference on package type and dimensions, there's no need for this kind of comparison as it obviously cannot be mounted, that a PCB design revision is needed. So engineers, please follow this and add on your technical report. So see you on the next lecture and goodbye.
Created using Powtoon.